After carefully examining the run, Tom tells us about how he plans to work the area to figure out where the brook trout are holding.
So we're in a new river today. I purposely didn't ask Brady where the fish are going to be. I wanted to see what we can find out. So we're at a nice, good flowing riffle here. I don't know how deep it is. The fish are generally going to be in deeper pockets. So I'm going to assume that there's a deep pocket below this riffle, and then when it flattens out, and I'm just going to work through it first with a mouse. Here we know a mouse will work and it's a good searching pattern, and you can actually see the fish roll on it when they're interested. So we'll start with a mouse. The fish could be in shallow. I don't want to spook them. And I don't even know how deep it is out there, so I'll gradually wade out, see how deep it gets, see if I can find a little bit deeper spot where the trout might be holding. Once I get closer to those deeper spots, I should be able to spot them, but we'll see. Oh yeah! Trying to keep side pressure on the fish because I don't want them to be hanging directly downstream if I can. That's when that hook pulls out. So I'm trying to, even though I'm leading them over in a little bit faster water, it's really not that fast. And probably I should, even though this fish didn't take a run, I'm gonna get my line in here just to get it away from the net. You wanna try to get that rod to the side so that you're not pulling them straight upstream. Ideally, I'd want to get downstream of this fish, but I don't want to wade through this water and spook other fish that might be in there. Nice female brook trout. Oh, wow. Woo. Very, very nice fish. And in the water. Off she goes.
Good job, Tom, buddy.
Thank you, man.
Well done.
So it's one thing to know how to read the water, but you have to temper that with local knowledge in the conditions. So in the spot I'm standing in now, or the water I'm fishing, I would look at that slow foam line over against those alders. It's a nice current there. You can see the bubbles, so you know the food is drifting down there. But all the hits I've gotten have been out in this heavier water just below where I'm standing. Oh, I literally just put this fly on. I've been using a streamer, and I just put a gurgler on, and oh, just hammered. First cast, oh, lost him. That's barbless, but you know something? This is so much fun. These gurglers, the mice, they're just getting hammered by these big brook trout. They love a big piece of meat on the surface. Gotta cast out and get another one. Whoa, big fish. Oh, look at that power. Oh, it's coming at me, reeling fast. He's using this current and this 5-weight rod. I've got both a 5 and a 6 here, and they're perfect for this place. This is where you need to have really good leader, and I'm using 10-pound 1X leader. Okay, and getting his head up, getting his head up. The size of that brook trout is filling that net. It's unbelievable. Let me get my fly out here. It's barbless, so it should pop right out. There it is. Comes out, drop that.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.